solve the following equations by factorization. Okay. First one is 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Second one is x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus x plus 3 by x minus 3 is equal to 2.5. Okay, let us solve these two first. First one, 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Now you see this quadratic equation has a coefficient that are irrational numbers, or surds in fact. Okay, if you see the coefficient a here is 4 root 3, the coefficient b here is plus 5, and the coefficient c here is minus 2 root 3. Okay, so a and c are both irrational numbers. Now whenever you come across this kind of an irrational numbers, you need to do a little bit of rough work here. Okay, so now you see normally when we factorize, what do? We multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term, right? When we are doing the middle term factorization, that is what we do. We multiply the extreme coefficients. So you multiply
Yes.
4 root 3 into 2 root 3. Okay, to get, you see that you get root 3 into root 3 combined to give you 3, and 4 into 2 combined to give you 8. So you get 8 into 3, which is 24 you are getting. Now the question is to break this 24 into two factors such that the sum of the factors is plus 5. How will you break 24 into two factors such that the sum is plus 5? 3 and 8 should be the two factors, right? 3 and 8,
So,
what should be the sign? Yes, tell me, any question?
no,
So
sir.
the factors should be
The
plus 8
8x minus
and
3x.
Sir, 8
plus 8
minus.
and minus 3, isn't it? This should be the factor. Let us break this up. 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This. Okay. Now see here, we need to take something common from these two. From these two, what should be the HCF of these two? 4 root 3 and 8. You see that the factors common between 4 root 3 and 8 is 4. Also, x is a common factor, so you take it out. So what are you left with? From 4 root 3 x square, you're taking out 4x. So you're only left with x root 3, right? And from 8x, if you're taking out 4x, you're left with 2. Okay. And here, minus. Now see, the point here is that you from 3x and 2 root 3, it looks like there are no factors in common, but there will be if I can break 3 as root 3 into root 3 x. This 3 I have broken up as root 3 into root 3 minus 2 root 3. We write this as it is, equal to 0. Now this is 4x, x root 3 plus 2, and from these two, now if you see from these two, I can take out the factor root 3, isn't it? So therefore I can take out the factor from these two, root 3, I take it out from these two, okay, to get x root 3 plus 2 equal to 0. And now I have x root 3 common. I can take it out, x root 3. After taking out x root 3, I'm left with 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. So that means either x root 3 plus 2 equal to 0 or 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. That means either you have x root 3 is equal to minus 2 or you have 4x is equal to root 3. That means either you have x is equal to minus 2 by root 3 or x is equal to root 3 by 4. Okay, so these two should be the roots of this equation. Now see here, one of the roots you are getting as 2 minus 2 by root 3. So what you can do is, since the surd does not look good in the denominator, you can rationalize the denominator. As you rationalize the denominator in class 9, you have already seen it in class 9. You rationalize the denominator. How do you rationalize? You multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. So now you get minus 2 root 3 by 3 or x is equal to root 3 by 4. Fine. So this is these two are the roots of the given equation. I have solved this by factorization method. Okay. Let us now see the next problem. Okay. So we start with x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 plus x plus 3 by x minus 3 is equal to 2 half. See, there is something you can work out this problem directly. Okay, but there is something very interesting that you should note in this problem. What you see here is that you have x minus 3 by x plus 3 here, and you just have the reciprocal here. Okay, so if I take this as y, this should be 1 by y. Anyone who does not agree? If I take this as y, this should be 1 by y, because if you see this part, these two are nothing but the reciprocal of each other. Okay, so if no one agrees, then I can take the first part as y and the next part as 1 by y. Or you can take this one as y also, and this will become 1 by y. Whichever way you do it, it's the same thing, because both are reciprocal of each other. Okay, so what I do here is I say let y is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 3. So therefore, 1 by y is equal to 1 by x minus 3 by x plus 3, which is x plus 3 by x minus 3. Okay. So therefore, what do you get? Y plus 1 by y is equal to 2 half. So now you take the LCM here. Y, you get y square plus 1. And you convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. You get 5 by 2. Now you cross multiply. You get 2y square plus 2y is equal to 5y. Okay. And now you write this in the quadratic form, ax square plus by plus c form. So you take y square first. This plus 5y, you take it on this side, become minus 5y. And this is plus 2, not 2y. If you cross multiply, you get 2y square plus 2, not 2y. So now you take 5y on the other side, 2y square minus 5y, and you have a plus 2 as it is. Okay. So now what you do here is factorize this. 2y square, what should be the factor? What should be the factor here? 4 into 1, I think. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4y minus y plus 2. Middle term factorization. 2y. Now between 2y square and 4y, you can take out the HCF 2y to get y minus 2, and minus 1 is the HCF between these two. You get y minus 2. We get y minus 2 into 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means you have either y minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Means you have either y is equal to 2 or y equal to half. Now you're getting two values of y. But what had we taken y earlier? We had taken y as x minus 3 by x plus 3. And you are getting two values of y. You are getting two values of y as y is equal to 2 and y is equal to half. So we take two cases. Case 1 is when y is equal to 2. So we have, what had we taken y as? We had taken y as x minus 3 by x plus 3. So y is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 3. Now you put the value, because the value of y here in this case is 2. X minus 3 by x plus 3. Now this becomes a linear equation. You solve this linear equation. You cross multiply. Twice x plus 3 is equal to x minus 3. 2x plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 6. That means x is equal to minus 9. So for the first value of y, when y is equal to 2, you're getting x is equal to minus 9. We don't actually need the value of y. We need the value of x only, because we need to solve for x, right? We need the values of y to solve for the values of x. And what was the next value of y that we were getting? The next value of y that we are getting was half. So we consider this case also. So when y is equal to half, we have y is equal to, again, we have taken y as x minus 3 by x plus 3. Now put the value of y, half is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 3. And you cross multiply. You get x plus 3 is equal to twice x minus 3. That means x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 6. I take x is on one side. X minus 2x is equal to minus 6 minus 3. That means you have minus x is equal to minus 9. So you're getting x is equal to 9. Okay, so what are required roots? The roots of the equation are first case we had got 9 plus 9 comma minus 9. Okay, now exactly this same problem you could have worked out directly. Instead of taking y, you could also have worked out in this manner. Let us try this out also, the alternative method. X minus 3 by x plus 3 plus x plus 3 by x minus 3 must be equal to 2 and a half. Okay, so this is this is the question that was given to you. Now instead of taking y, what I do here is I take the LCM directly. X plus 3 into x minus 3 will be the LCM. Okay, now if you see x, we have x plus 3, so this becomes x minus 3 whole square, and this becomes x plus 3 whole square. On the right hand side, you can take this as 5 by 2. Okay, so now in the numerator you expand by a minus b whole square formula. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 9 divided by And you have in the denominator a plus b into a minus b form. So this should be a square minus b square is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So now what happens? This minus 6x plus 6x they cancel. You're only left with 2x square plus x square, and you're left with 9 plus 9, which is 18, divided by x square minus 9 is equal to 5 by 2. Now you cross multiply and you simplify this. So if you cross multiply, this is twice of 2x square plus 18 is equal to 5 times x square minus 9. You get 4x square plus 36 is equal to 5x square minus 45. And this is 4x square minus 5x square is equal to minus 45 minus 36. So this is minus x square. If you add up these two, you'll actually get minus 81. That means x square is equal to 81. That means you will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 81. That means x is equal to plus or minus 9. So those are the roots. Therefore, the roots of the equation are plus 9 and minus 9. Are plus 9 and minus 9. That's it. Okay. So I'll stop here since the time is over.